Today, our journey continues. We will keep analyzing multi-time frames with price action and smart money techniques. Of course, we'll be using our best trading view indicator in this journey. So, you can see how the momentum strategy really works. Let's start now. Today, let's talk about how we can save ourselves from getting stuck with bad trades in the market. Because saving money is just as important as making money, especially when you are trading. When you look at this chart, you can clearly notice that on the multi-time frame indicator, there is this three very distinctive bullish imbalances right in the middle. There is also this SR flip location that I expected would cause a bounce in the price. So this ended up being my logical trade idea after carefully analyzing and reviewing these high time frame charts. The first clue you want to look for is whether we are forming any kind of swing failure patterns in this area, or if the price is simply crashing straight down. As you can see here, there really isn't much strength showing up at all. The sellers are very strong in this area and keep pushing and crushing the price lower and lower. Because of that, this multi-imbalance level is clearly not holding up the way we would want it to. The next thing you always need to check after that is what is happening on the lower time frames. On the lower time frames, the most important thing to focus on is the structure and the overall trend. If the lower time frame trend keeps breaking downwards and making new lower lows, this is a clear sign of weakness in the price. To take the healthy and higher quality trade, I need to see some real buyer strength step in here. For example, I want to see take out recent highs and continue making higher highs in the area, which would show a developing uptrend and buyer power. Now let's check the same area on the real-time charts using the 5-minute time frame. First of all, let's talk about what we actually have here in front of us. We have this nice inner SR flip location, as you can clearly on the chart, and top of that we also have these open liquidity areas sitting above us for our clear targets. So naturally, my normal expectation here would be price moving up from this area, because we have strong signs and very tradable zone shoved up here. But now let's slow down and talk about the inner trend on this chart, specifically the 5-minute trend. If you look over the left side, you can see we were in a clean uptrend, pushing higher and making higher highs, and taking out the previous highs step by step. Then that inner trend structure completely shifted and changed into a clear downtrend. You can also look at the smaller inner trends if you want to, which keeps making lower lows and getting crushed over. So, when I look at this 5-minute chart, everything I see is telling me that the uptrend, low time frame uptrend is broken here. Right now the sellers keep pushing and selling without any change in the inner trend structure. And this inner trend is clearly pointing a downtrend movement. If I want to take an A++ solid setup here, I need to see some upside movements first. For example, taking out these previous specific high areas. And if I need to see further confirmation, I need to see making continuous higher highs before taking the trades. This is one of the most important ways to stop losing money and wasting cash in the trading markets. Okay friends, I hope that this video was educational enough. Take care of yourself for now and see you next time. Completed the free trading course but still need more? My master classes teach liquidity, imbalance, and the market structure in detail. Combine them with forward and reverse trading using momentum superboxes and yo-yo cost average entry models. After that, you will master scalping with a one-screen free trading view indicator, a revolutionary trading system. Finally, you will learn to invest your profits using my 10-year swing investing with working agent system. Interested? Please see the video description.